welcome back. After your maths class, now we are going to begin with our today's English class. And in English, we learn about alphabets, their sounds, pictures and objects related with them, then how the sound is coming out, formation of that letter, isn't it? This is what we are doing. Now, can anyone tell me in the previous English class which alphabet I taught you? We have learned the alphabet using some zigzag lines. So which was that alphabet? Yes, we have learned alphabet W. Can anyone tell me three things that begins with letter W, the name begins with letter W? About any of the three things we have done. Wall. Wall means Devar, isn't it? Then the second one is a fruit name we enjoy eating in summer season. Watermelon. Very good. And one more thing. Just anything. Watch. Very good. Can anyone tell me what's the sound of letter W comes out? When we are speaking W, जब हम W को read करते हैं, उसको pronounce करते हैं, तो कौन सी sound आती है? Which sound comes out? W says W. Very good. So that shows you are clear with letter W. Now today we are going to learn about a new alphabet, a new sound, and some pictures which are actually known to you. Letter new hoga, sound new hogi, but I am pretty sure most of you can identify many pictures I have drawn here. Let's begin and identify these pictures one by one. Okay? So the first picture here is, what are these? जब भी हम कोई पिक्चर बनाते हैं, कोई ड्राइंग बनाते हैं, सबसे पहले यही बनाते हैं, पहाड़. So what do you call them? Mountain. What we call them? Mountain. So here it begins with letter M. Clear? So this picture, the very first picture is that of mountain. All of you repeat with me. Mountain. Understood? Okay. What is this? We can see that at night in the sky. Moon. Very good. Again it begins with letter M. So, moon. Now let's repeat the names. Mountain, moon. Now, next we have something जो मम्मा डेली पीछे लेके भागते रहते हैं. Finish your milk, finish your milk, and she gives it in this. What is that? Mug. Isn't it? मम्मा एक mug भर के milk दे देती है. Isn't it so? Now again, when I am talking of word milk, milk is also beginning with letter M. Isn't it? Milk. You drink it every day. It gives us a lot of energy. It makes our bones strong. So what is that? Milk. We have learned mountain, moon, mug, milk. Now what's this? जब घर पे गंदा हो जाता है, water spill हो जाता है, पानी खिंच जाता है, what we do? We wipe it off, isn't it? And what we use to wipe it off? We use a mop, जिसको हम पोछा कहते हैं. In a very common language, घर पे जब हम बात करते हैं, हम उसे बोलते हैं पोछा. But it's not पोछा. We should always call it mop. Understood? अब आप समझ में आ गया mop क्या है? When I'm telling you पोछा, something which we use to clean the spilled water, या कुछ गिर गया है, dirty हो गया है, we wipe it off. We call it mop. Again, mop is with letter M. Then, what we have here? for mango, isn't it? Then we have, it's a vegetable, actually not a vegetable, but we make vegetable using this. And they come in different shapes. We call it mushroom. मम्मी बनाती होगी घर पे वेजिटेबल, मशरूम के साथ पनीर, मटर and different things add करके. So we call it mushroom. Understood? Mushroom. Say with me. Mushroom. Now, ये तो सबका फेवरेट है, I'm sure. Macaroni. मम्मा macaroni बना दो. Again, macaroni begins with M. Macaroni. Isn't it? Then we have map. You remember in yesterday's sketching class, we have learned that rectangle shaped object. और मैम ने आपको उसमें मैप बताया था. What is a map? Something which we spread on the floor. बैठते हैं उसके ऊपर. Isn't it? Whenever we sit, whenever we go to any temple, you will find अगर आप वहाँ पे बैठ रहे हो, there are a lot of mats spread. वहाँ पे mats बिछे होते हैं, we sit on them. Understood? Then we have music, monkey, mouse. Mouse are of two types. एक तो वो छोटा tiny animal हो गया, and the other one is which we use with our laptops and computers. Mouse, isn't it? Now, when we are revising them all, let's say their name once. Mountain, moon, mop, milk, mug, mushroom, macaroni, mango, mat, music, monkey, mouse. We have so many things that are beginning with letter M. And when we are pronouncing them, जब हम इन names को बोल रहे हैं, what sound is coming out? Let's see them once again. अब आपको क्या करना है? मैम जब नाम बोल रही हैं, just listen carefully और आपको पता लगेगा कि कौन सी sound सबसे पहले आपके ear को click कर रहे हैं. Understood? Again. Mountain, mountain, moon, mushroom, milk, mug, macaroni, mango, mat, mouse, music, monkey. So what is clicking to us first? सबसे पहले आवाज क्या आ रही है कान में? म. Isn't it? जब हम बोल रहे हैं mountain, म, mop, म, moon, म. So the sound of letter M is M. Understood everyone? What is the sound of letter M? M. An easy way to learn. Monty, the monkey says ma. So there's a monkey and the name of this monkey is Monty. Monty, the monkey says ma. So the sound of letter M is M. Understood? Ma, mountain, moon, mop, mushroom, milk, mug, macaroni, mango, mat, music, monkey, mouse. Isn't it? Then we have mongoose. Mongoose क्या होता है? छोटा सा जो snake के साथ play करता है. We call it नेवला. Okay, that is mongoose. One more animal. Understood? So we have so many things that begins with letter M. Now what you are going to do today? Today you have to do work on page number 26 and 27. So book page number 26 class work है and 27 is homework. Understood? Now let's see how we are going to do our work in book today. Is that clear? It's all about tracing the dots. First, learn to trace on dots. Okay? So class, when you will open your book on page number 26, you will find letter M. Clear? And we have M for monkey, M for moon, M for mango. And I have told you about few more pictures that are related with letter M. Now how to trace it? You all know tracing the lines. So the very first thing you are going to trace is standing line like this. Then अब देखो इसको कैसे ट्रेस करना है. First make a standing line and pick your pencil. आपको पेंसिल को पिक करना है. Now from this point आपको come down, go up again and come down. सिर्फ देखो फर्स्ट लाइन आपको स्ट्रेट बना के यू हैव टू रिमूव योर पेंसिल. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, विदाउट रिमूविंग द पेंसिल आपको ये ट्रेसिंग कंप्लीट करनी है. दिस इज द वे ऑफ राइटिंग लेटर M. एंड येस, डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट योर डेट एंड क्लास वर्क ऑन 26 नंबर पेज, एंड ऑन 27 you will write date and homework. Clear? So let's just see it once again. Standing line, leave it. फिर इसी पॉइंट से जहाँ से स्टैंडिंग लाइन बिगिन की थी, you will come down towards right slanting, go up right slanting and come down straight. This is your letter M. M says M. M mango, M monkey, M mouse, M moon, M mat, M milk. I hope you all have understood how to complete your today's work now. So you are going to complete this page number 26 as classwork and page number 27 as your homework. Finish your work and get ready for the next class. Take care.